Hi guys, if your Apple Watch is too slow, then here is the fix. First of all, make sure there aren't any apps running in the background which is making it slow. So just double press on the digital crown and just swipe to the left and close all the apps running in the background. Now the second thing is try to uninstall not so necessary apps from your Apple Watch. So just press this digital crown and thus try to delete those apps which you don't want. So long press on that app and then swipe to the left and tap on delete app. In this way, delete unnecessary apps. Make sure that that app don't get automatically installed from your phone. So just open the watch app and just make sure tap on general and turn it off, otherwise it will get automatically installed. Now let's move to the next fix. If it doesn't work, try to restart your Apple Watch, because restarting also fixes the issue by deleting the cached files. So try to restart the Apple Watch and see whether it works or not. Another fix is turning off background app refresh. Tap on this and go to settings and just go to general, tap on general and tap on background app refresh and turn it off. Although this is not recommended because there are many apps which may need to run in background, but in low power mode this gets disabled automatically. So take it as a power saving and RAM saving step. Okay, so this also fixes your issue. Now if this also does not work, try to clear website data on Apple Watch. So just tap on your digital crown, go to settings. Once the settings home page open up, tap on general and go to website data and tap on clear website data and tap on clear data. Okay. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching The Geek.